When Volvo set out to redesign the XC60, they had a daunting task in front of them. Not only because the XC60 was well built, it was well loved. But I'm here to tell you that they not only met expectations, they exceeded them, and the redesigned XC60 won World Car of the Year in 2018. Join us today as we take you through this 2020 XC60 inscription at Volvo Cars New Brunswick. Let's start in the inside. The interior on this new XC60 is the pinnacle of Scandinavian design. It's clean, it's simple, and it's luxurious. On this particular inscription model, we have driftwood inlays. The seats alone are incredible. Perforated Napa leather, heated and cooled, highly customizable to make your comfort the highest level. The leg extensions are adjustable, the side bolsters are adjustable, the lumbar is very adjustable. Everything about this seat is perfect and designed for you. Volvo has graduated from the previous interior with buttons all over your center console, and it's all touchscreen, very user-friendly. We have a 12.3-inch digital driver display. You can display your navigation, you can customize your gauges. It is a ton of fun to play with, and it makes your life easy and luxurious. When it comes to luxury vehicles, it's the small things that puts you ahead of the competition. In the Volvo XC60, we have a borderless rearview mirror. Even the vent controls are machined out of real metal. Coming down through the center console, we have our iconic twist to start on the new Volvos and our drive mode select scroll, which is machined out of the same metal as your vent controls. In the back seat of the Volvo XC60, it's very relaxed, very comfortable seating position. The same perforated Napa leather, our armrests with storage for both passengers, cup holders that pop out this way, and your climate controls here, which are all touchscreen when the vehicle started for heated, cooled seats. We also have a household 120-volt outlet to keep all your devices charged, and storage under each seat for an iPad or small laptop. I'd like to point out one nice little touch in the back seat of this XC60 for any parents that are considering putting small children back here. Not a matter of if, but when they put their muddy feet against their seat. It's actually a hard plastic on the back of the passenger and driver seat, making it very easy to clean. Moving to the back of the XC60, we have our tonneau cover to hide all your belongings. Very easily closed and very easily removed. Ample storage here, and our spare tire underneath. Not to mention there's actually a nice little hole for your skis if you don't feel like putting the seats all the way down. On this particular inscription model, we have the nice chrome trim at the bottom with inscription actually indented onto the trim. Moving up here, we have our 20-inch inscription alloy wheels. Now up front, we have my personal favorite, the iconic Thor's Hammer LED headlight. Another inscription exclusive are these chrome inlays on the grille, making it really pop in the front here. And as you'll notice, a camera hidden right under the Volvo logo that's all part of your 360 backup camera. Under the hood, we have the T6 motor, which is actually a twin-charged engine, putting out 316 horsepower. You pair that with Volvo's legendary all-wheel drive system, you've got a vehicle that can conquer any season. Now, this is just a quick snapshot. I can only show you so much in a couple minutes, but if you've ever considered an XC60, if you're driving the previous generation XC60, you need to get behind the wheel of one of these models. Now, this is just one of 3 trims. We still have the R design and the Momentum. So come on in, figure out which XC60 is best for you, learn about our wonderful white glove service, and test drive one today. Ben Gray, Volvo Cars New Brunswick.